Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Today video, the Southern Tiger Kung Fu in 2022. Let's go! The first basics, the gua gai. Your left hand from top go down, attack by this part, and your right hand from top go down, attack by this part. Your shoulder relax with your full power. The second basics, blocking right, blocking left, and vertical punch straight. So when you're blocking, your hand small, not move your shoulder at all to protect your face. And power. Number 3, the kneel kick. Find your knee, kick your toe up like a kneel, and push palm same time, and landing back. You're kicking like a kneel, kick set of the head. Basics number 4, vertical punch. From your waist and straight line, punch flat by this way. Grabbing both hands cross, knee lift, low kick. Basics number 5. You both hand blocking, you step, strong. You landing your left. You both hand become palm and attack the neck. You both hand power out of outside of your palm. Combination training. First combo, your hand is attacking move, left and right. This is blocking, small, protect your face. And you step and twist your wrist. Vertical punch with your power out of your fist. Number 2 combo. We go kneel kick. You kick up to the head and you punch the stomach. Right and left. The combo number 3. Both hands grabbing. Some punch you, grabbing both hands and kick the leg. As soon as you're landing, you both hand blocking this way and power out with your strong stance. That's all for today. The lesson 1 of Southern Tiger Kung Fu. Learning 5 basics, 3 combo, 1 part of 4. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. I see you in next video. And bye bye.